will review again our lesson from lesson 2. Yeah, because many students still don't know about telling time to the half hour. Okay, have you opened? Yeah, okay, very good. I already know, Miss. Speak English, Bang. I already know, Miss. I know, Miss. Okay, so now open your book. Have you opened your book, students? Already?
Already, Miss.
Already, Miss. Okay, good. Okay, students, for our lesson today, it's about telling time to the half hour. Repeat after Miss Ray. Telling time.
Telling time. Telling time. Telling time. Telling
Yeah. Lesson 2, telling time to the half hour. In bahasa, kita mau menceritakan atau menjelaskan atau membahas, membahas tentang bagaimana sih cara membagi dalam waktu setengah jam. Bagaimana supaya tahu, waktu setengah jam atau lewat 30 menit itu seperti apa. Okay, please focus, students. Because why? After holiday, 1 week after holiday, we have a review, and then 2 weeks, 2 more weeks, we have exam ya, already exam final 2. Ya, setelah libur kita 1 minggunya sudah review dan 2 minggunya lagi setelah libur sudah ujian. So, please focus. Especially for this topic about hour, because if you're not focused, you cannot to answer the exam questions. Okay, the first, number 1, look at.
Kita liburnya berapa minggu?
Aduh, Miss don't want to say again lah, Renat, you not focus just now, Miss Ray tell to you. Renat, later you can play again the recording of this Zoom ya. Nanti buka aja lagi rekaman dari Zoom ini. Okay, students, number 1, look at this clock. What in bahasa clock? Jam. Jam ya, clock, jam. Look at the first clock here. Okay, look at this clock here. Anton wakes up at 6 o'clock. Katanya bagaimana ya? Anton bangun jam 6 tepat. Jam 6 tepat. Why 6 o'clock? Kenapa ya jam 6 tepat? Please focus, Reynard. Face to the screen. Oke, kenapa ya jam 6 tepat dikatakan iya? Because this clock ya show us, ya menunjukkan kepada kita the minute hand. What is in bahasa the minute hand, kids? Apa itu minute hand?
Jarum panjang. Jarum panjang, Miss. Jarum panjang, Miss.
Answer my question. Kenapa cuma sebagian ya? Yang lain belum mengerti what in bahasa minute hand. Please respond, kids, so I can know you understand or no.
Ivander tadi ngomong juga.
Iya, respon Miss-nya kalau ngomongnya supaya nanti Miss tahu anak-anak Miss ini udah ngerti atau belum. Kalau belum ngerti kita ulangi sampai ngerti lagi. But you have to focus. Kalau nggak fokus Miss nggak mau jelaskan lagi, ulang. Okay, look at this. The minute hand ya at 12. Jarum panjangnya itu di angka 12. Remember from lesson 1. Ya, kalau jarum panjangnya ada di angka 12, itu artinya jamnya tepat. Tepat pada jamnya. O'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 tepat. Ya, and then the hour hand. What in bahasa hour hand?
Jarum pendek.
Ya, thank you for your response. Terima kasih untuk anak-anak Miss yang udah respon menjawab. Oke, jam 6 ya. Jam 6, our hand ya, jarum pendek. Jarum pendeknya ada di angka 6. Oke, jadi yang perlu diperhatikan ketika melihat jam Belvania sit down, ya, yang perlu diperhatikan melihat jam adalah lihat jarum pendeknya di mana ya. The hour hand at. After that, look at the minute hand. Lihat jarum panjangnya ada di angka berapa. Oke, and then Anton goes to school at 6:30. Anton goes to school at 6:30. Okay, remember, what in bahasa half? Half past, what in bahasa, kids? Respond me. What in bahasa half past?
Lewat setengah jam, Miss.
Ya, Miss sekali lagi terima kasih untuk anak-anak Miss yang responnya. Iya, half past artinya lewat setengah jam. Setengah jam berapa menit ya? Setengah jam itu 30 menit. 30 minutes. Oke, jadi si Anton ini pergi ke sekolah jam 6:30. 6:30. 6 lewat setengah jam. Kalau 6 lewat setengah jam artinya apa? Setengah 7. Kenapa setengah 7, Miss? Karena angka setelah 6, fokus ya. Because ya after 6, 7, karena angka setelah 6 itu 7. Dia belum sampai ke 7. Lihat lihat jam yang kedua ini. Look at the second clock here. Karena angka setelah 6, 7, belum sampai ke 7, artinya di pertengahan, setengah. Remember ya, look at the hour hand first. Lihat jarum pendeknya dulu. After that, look at the minute hand. Lihat jarum panjangnya, ada di angka 6. Ya, remember student, setiap jarum panjang yang ada di angka 6 artinya lewat 30 menit. Lewat setengah jam. Ya, lewat setengah jam. Remember. Okay, listen, look at here. When the minute hand is at 6:10, we say it is half past. Everybody say half past.
Half past.
Setengah jam, oke? Lewat setengah jam. Can you repeat to read this, students? All of you please read. Yang paling bawah tadi yang Miss baca. Oke, when the minute hand. This one. Okay, very good. When the minute hand is at 6, we say it is half past. Okay, now Miss Ray want to ask one by one. Sebelum kita mengerjakan soal halaman 176, before we will do assignment page 176, Miss Ray want to ask one by one first. Okay, Miss Ray want to know, you are focused or no? You are focused or no? Dreaming or sleepy? Okay, Miss Ray ask one by one. Kalista, hi Kalista.
Yes, Miss.
What in English lewat setengah jam, Kak?
Half past, Miss.
Yeah, very good. Half past, Miss. Thank you. Thank you, Kalista. Next, Adriel. Hi, Adriel.
Hi, Miss.
Adriel, when the minute hand, ya, Adriel, when the minute hand is at 6, we say it is.
What, Miss?
Listen carefully. Dengar baik-baik, Adriel. When the minute hand is at 6, we say it is. What is the answer, Adriel? Adriel, please focus. After this, Miss Ray asks again to you. Okay, another question for the other students. Hi, Stephen. Please turn on your video. Stephen.
Miss.
Stephen, what in English jarum panjang? Answer me, please. Answer, Miss Ray. Iya, what in English jarum panjang, Bang? Please unmute Stephen while you mute your Zoom.
Jarum panjang.
Stephen, why you ask your mom?
Miss.
Kenapa tanya mamanya, Bang?
Tanya. Ya. Jarum panjang.
Please focus, Stephen. Stephen and Adriel, please focus. After this, Miss Ray asks again, Stephen. Okay, the other people. Belvania. Miss tahu loh siapa anak-anak Miss yang nggak fokus dari tadi. Belvania, what in English jarum pendek? What are you doing just now, Belvania? Focus, please, Belvania. Okay, another people. Faye. Hi, Faye. Belvania, focus. Sit down nicely. Belvania, what in English jarum panjang? So, no, sorry. Faye. Faye, what in English jarum panjang? Huh?
How
Aduh.
fast?
What? No, wrong. That is wrong, Faye. Kemana aja sih pikirannya ketika Zoom? Dreaming, sleepy. Rafa.
Yes, Miss.
What in English jarum pendek? Jarum jam.
Let's go. Clock.
Say again.
Let's clock.
What do? Yeah, wrong. Ya udahlah, Miss Phil yang fokus dulu. So you can listen carefully your friend say what. Okay. Can you tell Anugrah what in English jarum panjang?
Minute hand.
Can you say once more?
Minute hand.
Can you listen, Stephen, Faye, Belvania, Rafa, Adriel? Can you repeat to say again, Rafa, Faye, Belvania, Adriel, what Anugrah said just now? Can you say once more, Anugrah, so they can repeat you? Anugrah, can you repeat once more to say what just now you said?
Yes, Miss. Minute hand.
Please repeat. The other.
Minute hand, Miss. Minute hand,
Minute
Miss.
hand. Say minute hand.
Minute hand.
Minute hand.
Minute hand.
Later Miss ask again you. Nanti Miss tanya lagi untuk anak-anak Miss tadi. Okay, can you tell to me? Can you tell to your friends? Lovely. What in English? Jarum jam atau jarum pendek?
Our hand, Miss.
Say it louder, Kak, so your friend can know. So Adriel, Belvania, Rafa, Faye can know. Say louder, Kak.
Our hand, Miss.
Our hand. Say everybody. Our hand. Repeat, Miss. Our hand.
Our hand. Our hand.
Yeah,
Our
remember,
hand.
please focus, focus, focus. If Miss Ray is teaching from this Zoom, yeah, eyes to the screen. So you can know, you can answer my questions. Next, the last question before we go to number 2. Okay, Miss Ray choose again the students. Hi, Frederico. Hi, Frederico. Unmute, please. Hi, Frederico.
Hi, Miss.
Frederico, listen, Miss Ray. If the minute hand, what in bahasa minute hand, Frederico? What in bahasa minute hand, Frederico? Tadi temannya udah bilang. Minute hand.
Minute hand.
Frederico nggak fokus juga. Frederico, minute hand itu jarum panjang, jarum yang untuk menunjukkan menit, Frederico. Oke, Miss Ray checks the people. Hi, Daryl. Unmute, please. Daryl, what in bahasa minute hand? What in bahasa minute hand, Daryl?
Jarum panjang.
Iya, jarum panjang. Daryl, when the minute hand is at 6, we say it is ketika jarum panjangnya itu ada di angka 6, kita sebut apa ya?
When the minute hand is at 6, we say it is 12 past.
Mana ada half past, say.
Half past.
Iya, oke. Ketika jarum panjangnya di angka 6 itu kita katakan lewat setengah jam. Oke, so now open page 176 kids. Buka halaman 176. Yes, Ivander, Miss Reno, later ya Ivander. Nanti ada gilirannya, or tomorrow, taken. Miss Re tunjuk anak-anak yang tidak fokus, supaya fokus. Okay, open page 176. Already, students? Okay, Miss Ray choose the students. Again, ya, Miss Ray choose again, Adriel. Please read number 2, Adriel. Page 100.
Read exercise.
Read exercises.
Exercises with classmates in the morning.
Yeah, David exercises with his classmates at jam berapa? Adriel, lihat jam ini. Look at this clock. Jam berapa ditunjukkan di jamnya itu, Adriel?
Setengah 10.
Iya, setengah 10. What in English setengah 10, Adriel? Adriel? Apa bahasa Inggrisnya setengah 10, Adriel? Jawaban kamu sudah benar, Bang. Bahasa in English. Faster. Aduh, Adriel. Again ya, students. Please say to Adriel, Naomi, for number 2. So small your voice, Kak. Please say louder.
David exercise with his classmates.
So small, I cannot hear your voice.
David exercise with his classmates at 9:30 in the morning.
So small, Kak. You can check maybe, Naomi. Can you say once more? Beth, please, number 2.
David exercised with his classmates at in the morning.
Yeah, what time, Kak, Beth?
9:30.
Very good. That is the answer, ya. Very good, Beth. Excellent. Thank you because you help us. Okay, students, the answer is 9:30. 9:30. What in bahasa 9:30? 9:05 jam. Jam 9:30. Itu jawabannya. 9:30. Okay, please write. Write. Answer on your textbook. Jawab di buku textbooknya. Tulis. Half past 9. Thank you, Beth. Okay, already, students? So we can continue number 2. Okay, Miss Ray, continue. Because the time's almost over. Number 3, Miss Ray point. Elzira, please read number 2. Hamid and his friends.
Hamid and his friend play at platforms.
Yeah.
The
Yes. Okay, so smart. Thank you. Yeah, the answer is, jawabannya adalah half past 4. Jam 4 lewat setengah jam ya. Half past 4. Karena sudah hampir ke 5. Jarum pendeknya ada di angka 6. Ya, jarum panjangnya, the minute hand. The minute hand, jarum panjangnya ada di angka 6, artinya lewat setengah jam. So the answer is half past 4. Excellent. Thank you, Elzira. You are smart student. Okay, next, Miss Ray Chance. Okay, please write kids. Tulis di buku besarnya, di buku textbooknya. Okay, Miss Ray Chance number 4. Number 4, please read Jeremiah.
Mary helped her mother wash the dishes at blank at night.
What is the answer? Jeremiah. Mana Jeremiah? Kenapa di mute lagi, Bang?
Past 8, Miss.
Yes, very good. Good job ya, Bang. Jeremiah, half past 8. Karena dia belum ke 9 ya, masih di tengah 8. Thank you, Jeremiah. You are smart. Please write kids, everyone. All, semuanya tulis di buku textbooknya. Okay, now number 5. Sekarang nomor 5. Pa Lion and Baby Lion go to do a fun fair, ya. Mereka pergi ke sebuah pasar atraksi. Look at the picture, kids. Kalau dari gambar nomor 5 ini, coba lihat angka yang terendah. Angka yang terendah artinya si Papa Lion dan Baby Lion ini terlebih dahulu melakukan atau mengunjungi setiap stasiun ya, mengunjungi setiap atraksi dari angka yang terkecil. Okay, Miss Ray point again. Evander, which one is number 1? Number 1. The first. Mana gambar yang pertama kali dikunjungi oleh Pa Lion and Baby Lion, Evander?
Number 1, Miss.
At what? Yang mana yang pertama kali? What time? Jam berapa?
Half past 4, Miss.
Half past 4? No. Is it correct, kids? No, that is wrong. That is wrong, Evander. What time, kids? Zoya, what time? Pa Lion and then Baby Lion go to the atraksi, the first. Zoya, yang mana pertama kali? What time? At Oke, please focus students. Lihat dulu ini gambar nomor 5, halaman 170. Bagaimana cara menandainya? Joya, please focus. Caranya adalah lihat angka yang terendah. Yang pertama, gambar yang paling atas ini kan jam setengah 4. Kemudian jam 4, kemudian jam 3, jam setengah 3, 2:30. Mana lebih duluan dilakukan? Mana duluan yang waktunya yang terlebih dahulu dilewati? Setengah 3 atau jam setengah 4? Setengah 3 atau setengah 4? 2:30 or
3.
2:30 ya. Iya, yang pertama kali dilakukan adalah 2:30. Setengah 3 ya, jam 2 lewat setengah jam. Ini yang pertama kali dilakukan. This is number 1. Ini nomor 1. Please write on your textbook. Ya, yang angka jarum pendeknya ada di antara 2 dan 3. 2:30. That is the first